American Yawp, Chapter 25. Relations between the United States and the Communist Soviet Union, former World War II allies, soured quickly after World War II. Europe had been cut in half, divided by an iron curtain of socialism that had descended across the continent with the Red Army, according to Churchill. Aggressive anti-Soviet sentiment seized the American government and soon the American people themselves. A Red Scare, propelled by Senator Joseph McCarthy's effort to find communist subversion operating within the federal government, roiled American culture, and a wave of anti-communism reflected national fears in a newly bipolar world. The Cold War was, for both sides, a global political and ideological struggle between capitalist and communist ideals, particularly between the two surviving superpowers of this new post-war world order, the United States with its capitalism and the Union of Soviet Socialist republics with its communism. It was a Cold War because it was never truly hot. That is, it was never a direct shooting war between the United States and the Soviet Union. Tensions ran highest during the first Cold War, both at home and abroad, which lasted from the post-war world in the mid-1940s through the mid-1960s. Domino Theory became a basis for the military justification of U.S. interventions abroad in places like Cuba, think Bay of Pigs, Korea, the Korean War, and Vietnam, the Vietnam War, in order to neutralize power in China and the USSR to prevent the spread of communism further. A period of relaxed tensions and increased communication and cooperation between the countries would follow, known by the French term détente, until the Second Cold War, which interceded from roughly 1979 till the collapse of the Berlin Wall in 1989 and the dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991. Think Reagan. Questions about the Cold War's end must pause before appreciation of the Cold War's impact at home and abroad. Whether measured by the tens of millions killed in it, either by communist dictators or in Cold War-related conflicts in faraway jungles, in the reshaping of American politics and culture, or in the transformation of America's role in the world, the Cold War pushed American history upon a new path, one that it has yet to yield.